I tried to do a little spoon for you guys, but it's okay because I didn't make the cuts. But as you can tell from the title, oh, you can see my reflection. Look at that.
Dude.
Me too. A little bit. That looks kind of awkward. Anyways, hey guys, welcome to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. I have the same shirt on because I'm recording 2 videos in one day. So if you haven't checked out my last video of how I did this hairstyle and you like it, it's kind of old right now, but then go check that out. If you are new to my channel, like, comment, and subscribe. As you can tell from the title, we're about to put LED lights on the premises of my wall. If I have a picture of how I got it, like I got it on Amazon, these are LED lights. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to put these on. Like, oh my gosh. Ooh. Okay, so this is the remote. These are the one and only LED lights. Oh gosh, they're stuck. Okay, they're good. These are LED lights. This is the plugger upper thing. Okay. It's lit. Get it? Lit. LED light. We're gonna get started. It's on period. My room is gonna be like a whole upgrade because of LED lights. I've been waiting so long to put these LED lights, and I'm so glad. Like, I am excited to see how this turns out. I've been seeing these everywhere. I'm like, oh my gosh, I have to get my hands on them right now. I don't even think I gotta read the instructions. Do I? Do I? Do I really? Plug. Boom. Look at that! I already got the first step impact, and that's a period. Period. Okay. And if you can hear the background, I'm sorry, it's just my mom. She's on the phone. You know how Haitians are on the phone.
Yelling.
It's okay. It's okay. Alright. Background.
I feel so smart, guys.
Don't leave me! Ignore the walls. I'm gonna get them redone. Ah! Oh shit! I'm gonna start right here. But we got it done. Alright. Now for the other LED lights. I'm gonna have to take a break, okay? See you guys on the flip side. Guys, so I'm back and I just realized that I don't think it's gonna fit the whole thing since that only took like, yeah, that side. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just like take the rest and put it on this side. It's not, I already know it's not gonna cover my whole room. So I'm gonna just leave that side. I might order some new ones. Shoot, I mean some more. But just to make my room look nice, I'm gonna cut this. Hey guys, I will be back when I'm done like putting the whole thing so this video is not too long because it shouldn't be this long. So. Other side, ignore this. It's okay. Okay, so I got a chair. Ooh, kind of scary. For me to stand up on, so y'all could probably see me better. Alright, so I could okay. This is tiring. I ain't expect. So, I'll be right back. I'm gonna get some tape so I could tape that up and see how the lights turn out. I'm gonna actually do the reaction with my siblings. Y'all probably already seen them, but yeah, I'm gonna do the reaction with my siblings so that when they come in, they'll see the lights too. Oh my gosh! And now now for the final. Let's see how it looks changing colors. Oh, I ain't power it on. I got it. I have to take this off, I think. It looks so pretty. I gotta show y'all. Oh my gosh. Okay. This looks so cute. Oh my gosh. Come look at this light. You're so ugly, Brad. Oh, hey, hold up. Where's Joshua? Where's Joshua? Alright guys, this is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed me installing my little LED lights or whatever. They cute or whatever. Oh, this is so awkward. Y'all can see me through the glass, but no. I hope y'all enjoyed me installing my LED lights. I'ma get to this side. I'ma buy some new ones, some more, so it could like fill up the whole room. But it's cute for now. Like, it looks nice. It's kind of sort of a room upgrade, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, don't forget to like, comment. Let me end this video with this color. Oh! Anyways, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye!